This is the high density Espalier gardener, and these are my pinto beans. I made a mistake when I wet or I put the corn seeds in water overnight so that they could soak up some liquids, and before I planted them. I did the same thing with my beans, and they swelled up really nice, but when I planted them, um, almost all of them went bad. Only 6 of the little plants actually grew. So I figured I learned a lesson. Don't wet beans before, or at least don't wet them overnight before you plant them. So I planted the 6 little pinto beans that did come out. They look really, really pretty. And next to them, they're going to be growing on this portion of the trellis fence in front of the avocado and white zapote. I planted another 14 seeds here to make it 20 pinto beans. And then just for fun, I found some black beans and I planted 10 of those. So I'll have 30 plants in this area here. So that completes this portion of the trellis fence. Further on that way, I have my peas here, my cucumbers growing on that portion, and my green beans growing on that portion. I haven't finished putting up the fence over there, and until I do, I won't be planting anything over there. But wanted to show a little bit of an update, and then I'll show when they actually sprout. So these are my pinto beans in the area that the rest should be coming out, and black beans, I guess. If you have any questions or comments, please post them and I will respond as soon as I can.